The verse number 16 and 17 in Surah An-Nisa, وَالَّتِي يَأْتِينَ الْفَاحِشَةَ مِن نِسَائِكُمْ فَاسْتَشْهِدُوا.
On this verse I have already spoken in detail during my dars of Quran, which I give three times or twice a week. That's the one.
Every day.
Huh?
During Ramadan it's...
No, I'm not talking of during Ramadan, I'm talking of, of 2 days a week. This I explained there very clearly. In my opinion, there are some tendencies, crooked tendencies among men and women to have a relationship with their own sex. Male with male, female with female. And the males are called homosexuals, and the females are called lesbians. So these verses apply to the homosexuals and lesbians. And as such, if a woman has become a lesbian, she would be a danger to the whole society, because then she would visit houses under the cover of being a woman. And while men cannot visit other houses like that freely, but a woman can walk in anywhere. So she would be a havoc and danger for all the young girls. Once they become subject to this, then after a while they become diseased. Then they are no longer fit for marriage. So that is why the confinement to their houses. Right?
Yes, that's why he is asking if there is the punishment is not equal.
I've already explained.
May I have the...
See, the men's relationship is an open affair. The moment some person begins to develop affinity for a boy, they are known, they walk the streets together,
yes,
and they can't hide this fact by getting locked up in rooms. But in women, they say they're two women, they're locked up in rooms. What is wrong? So that is why it is far more dangerous in women. Secondly, there is another reason why men are not imprisoned. Because it is for men to earn the livelihood. It is for them to support the women folk or families. For women, it is not essential. If they want to work, well and good. Otherwise, they are not responsible for the maintenance of economic requirements of the house or providence of the house. So, if they are restricted in their houses, no real damage will be done to the survival of the family. If men are reduced to this, then nobody would be able to earn that livelihood. So these and many others, if you go deeper into the verse, there are some other reasons, which in fact some of them I mentioned during my that dars, but these two I think should be sufficient for the timing.